I know that Choate continues to teach high ideals of public service and public responsibility, as it did when I was there a quarter of a century ago.
The John F. Kennedy Program in Government and Public Service is named after Choate Rosemary Hall's most famous alumnus, President Kennedy, class of 1935. The program is an immersion designed for those students with a passion for politics, philosophy, and economics.
So there are 51 jurisdictions that conduct presidential elections. In 49 of them, it is winner take all.
It's an immersion program that seeks to develop skills through curriculum, through experience, and through presentation over the course of 6 terms at school.
Tonight, I want to help you think differently about clothing and propose how we can use fashion to analyze and better understand the state of contemporary American political culture.
All students take required courses in politics, philosophy, and economics, with further electives available in government, public policy, further economics, as well as international relations and sociology. This foundational coursework is augmented by a writing-intensive tutorial in the winter term of the 6th form year. Students are guided by a dedicated faculty mentor as they explore areas of further passion within the topics already considered.
Off-campus internships allow students to apply their learning to practical experiences out in the real world.
Recent summer internships have involved placements with senators and congresswomen, county officials, local town halls, and political campaigns. The JFK program concludes with a TED-style talk in the spring term of the student's 6th form year. In this, they're able to share with the community their research, their experience, their analysis, and their insights. It is a true highlight of the spring term and also of the student's Choate experience.
And any of you looking for more information about the John F. Kennedy Program in Government and Public Service should feel free to reach out and contact us.
And I am confident that schools like Choate will represent the rich diversity of our people more than ever in the years to come.